In my daily morning market updates, I've been using the term market breadth quite a bit, so I thought it might be helpful to talk about what that actually means. It's a fancy finance term, but it's truly a simple concept and really important to understand. So I like to think of market breadth like this. When I go to a concert, my overall experience is really impacted by crowd participation. If I look around and I see everyone at the concert is having the time of their lives, my overall satisfaction with the concert will probably be strong. But if I look around and it's just the people on the floor or just the people in the VIP tent having a blast, everyone else in the bleachers with me is sitting down and looking bored, my overall experience would suffer and my satisfaction would be low. When we talk about market breadth, we're doing the same thing. So market breadth measures how many stocks are moving up versus down in a given market. We're looking around, and if most stocks are rising, that's strong market breadth. If only a few big names are carrying the gains, market breadth is weak. And here's why it matters. So the standard S&P 500 index that's most often discussed is the cap-weighted index, meaning that bigger companies like Apple and Microsoft have more influence. So if those giant companies are rallying, the index can look great, even if hundreds of smaller companies in the index are struggling. Now, if the S&P 500 equal weight index, its lesser known cousin, if that index performs well, it means that gains are spread across the market, not just concentrated in a few mega caps. That's a sign of a healthier, broader participation, strong market breadth. Understanding market breadth helps us to see beyond headlines and spot real market strength. So the next time you hear the S&P 500 was up, you'll know to ask about market breadth. And if you hear someone say that market breadth was positive or that the equal weighted index beat the cap weighted, you'll know to think of it like a Taylor Swift Eras Tour level concert where everyone, or every stock in this instance, was having the time of their lives.